In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Klaviyo account for Smma. To get started, open your web browser and go to Klaviyo. You can do this by typing Klaviyo into your search bar, or by using a saved bookmark if you have one. Once you are on the Klaviyo website, make sure you are on the main sign-up area. This is important because the sign-up page is where you begin creating your account for your business and marketing work. Next, you will enter your email address. This is the email you will use to verify your account and to sign in later. Take a moment to double-check that the email address is spelled correctly, since small mistakes can cause problems with access. After you enter it, proceed to the next action by clicking Sign Up. As soon as you click Sign Up, the website will move you forward to the next page in the registration flow. Now you will be asked to enter your email and password. Enter the same email you just used, and then choose a password that you can remember. For best results, use a strong password made up of letters and numbers. After you have entered both fields, click Continue. This step confirms that you are creating a new account and that you want to move forward with setup. After you click Continue, you will reach the part where you fill in your business details. The first field you will typically see is for your company name. Enter the name of your company as you want it to appear in your Klaviyo workspace. If you are using a brand name for your Smma, enter that brand name so your account is organized correctly from the beginning. Next, you will enter your company website. This is used to help Klaviyo understand your business and set up your account more accurately. Use the correct website link for your Smma, including the full domain. If you have multiple websites, use the one you primarily want to connect to your marketing activities. Then you will enter your phone number. This is often used for account verification and security. Make sure the number is entered correctly, and ensure you select the right country format if the form asks for it. If you do not want to use a personal number, you can use a dedicated business line, as long as you can access it if verification is required. Once all of your details are filled in, click Create Your Account. At this point, Klaviyo will create your workspace based on the information you provided. You may see a loading screen or a brief confirmation message. This is a normal part of the setup process, and it usually happens quickly. After your account is created, you will be prompted to complete setup. This is where you confirm your preferences and prepare your workspace for your marketing tools. The exact screens you see can vary depending on what Klaviyo offers at that moment. But the goal is the same: get your account ready so you can start using Klaviyo for your Smma. As you complete setup, pay attention to any prompts that ask for additional details or permissions. Fill out what is required and make choices that match your business needs. If you are unsure about a specific prompt, continue carefully and only select what you understand. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.